it's Rishi and you're most welcome to RiCoder. So here I'm going to talk about C language, and in C language I'm going to talk about operators. So in this today's operators lesson I'm going to talk about arithmetic operator, relational operator as well as logical operators. So let's start with the video. So first of all I'm going to write the preprocessor, which is hash include so less than symbol, then std io.h, enter, then int main, then function. This parentheses are called as function, and then entering it, then opening the functions braces, and we are writing the logic. Logic includes, here I'm gonna writing a, assigning a value to it, which is called as variable name. Okay, something your wish, whatever you want, right? Here I'm taking 10 semicolon, and then c equals to, and then writing 20, and here there. So if you are finding something hard here, don't be worry about this. I'm just writing it as simple as it is. So this operator is called as arithmetic operator. So writing it arithmetic for a better understanding. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Okay. So here I'm gonna write it as printf. Okay, printf. Sorry. So printf, the double quotes. In double quotes, I'm gonna write a plus c semicolon percentage d, and next line. So I'm gonna say one thing, that this backslash n represent that we need the second, whatever the next output is, that should be in the next line. That should be in the next line. What does it mean? If I don't write this backslash n, everything gonna print in the single line, but we don't want this in the single line, right? So anyways, I will be showing this in the further video, how does it even work. Then writing next one is printf, then once again double quotes, a, I'm not writing it, a minus c, same this, and percentage d backslash n, and then comma a plus c, a minus c. So I'm sorry here, sorry for the misprint here. There was one more thing to write. Okay, a plus c, this was left here, then semicolon. So then similarly for printf, double braces, double quotes, then a, then division c, and eventually we need to write the same process, percentage d backslash n, and then comma, then once again writing a backslash, slash c, then semicolon, once again writing printf. You need to repeat this process, and just you need to change that whatever the symbols are there in between a and c. That's it. There's not a big rocket science here. If you are a beginner, you are not getting this, I know. And if you are just if you just know some coding, a bit of coding, you will be knowing that what I am writing here. And if you have seen my past videos, so just check out. And then writing a multiplied b, multiplication symbol is ampersand. No, sorry, it's not an ampersand. It's like star mark. I don't know the name of that. I'm sorry for that. So then percentage d, and backslash n, then comma, then a percentage is multiplication b, and semicolon. And last step, we need to write it as print a, then percentage c, and then I'm gonna write it as percentage d backslash n, comma, a percentage c, semicolon. So here you will be having some doubt. How do we find this percentage c? So I will be discussing this in the next videos, how we are getting that, when I will be explaining how bitwise operators will convert that all the inputs into binary language. So I will be discussing this in that video. So this is all about arithmetic operators. Then we are just switching to relation operators. So then once again comment it out. Then relation operators, relational. So yeah, so let's meet afterwards after writing this all relation operator, because it's taking much time for writing and explaining. It's not a big thing. Once again I'm saying you, for relation operators I'm not gonna do nothing much thing. I will be writing the same whatever it is, printf, 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 and I'm gonna change the values between a and c. That's it. Everything gonna be same for relation. Only the symbols matters. Okay, so just be here and watch it. So guys, welcome back to the video. So yeah, I took a while because I didn't want to waste time. So whatever I wrote here is all same. Assigning the values to all that variable names. Oh sorry, as I said, we need to assign, first of all we need to assign what the variable is. So the variable is, sorry, the variable is integer type. So we need to assign it as int. Okay, for make sure that you are writing a space there. See, still now there was an error there, but now there is no error. So as you can see, I just wrote all that printf, and I just changed the symbol between a and c and so on. Now here also I'm gonna write backslash n for every operators whatever I'm printing, backslash n, and then once again backslash n. Okay, oh, then one more thing we need to write here is return 0. Okay, and well, this is close. So now I'm gonna run this. Okay, and then after running, as you know, we need to write gcc file name, then entering, then dot slash a dot exe. So after, since it has been run, so now I'm gonna just wait for a few minutes. So in the terminal I'm gonna write gcc, then file name which is c.c, it. Then once again I'm gonna write dot slash a dot exe. Then after entering it, the output gonna be in boolean values, means it will be either true or false. So after actually normal writing in books and all, or you will be finding true or false, but here you will be finding in 0 and 1. So for that confirmation that our answer is right or wrong, we will be writing knowing here that see a plus c, our input was 10 and 20, so the addition of 10 and 20 is 30, and subtraction is minus 10 for sure, correct. And there is some different after that multiplication. Let's see what it is. So it's saying a percentage c. So there is an error here. Let's try to fix it. Let's try running once again if still the error are there. So I don't know why it is. So actually, as I said, I am also learning, so I will be fixing this and I will be showing in the further videos what it was. So it is just a one shoot video. There is no such thing. There will be little cuts, and I am just doing it within same time. So yeah, the error is still there, so I will be finding it and I will be figuring out. So yeah, after that we can see all that thing that a is greater than c or not. So it is saying that yes, one means true and 0 is false. So as you can see, yeah, it's true. So similarly, these are all the operators what we have in our C language, and there are more, like there are bitwise and all. In next video, I'm gonna explain how bitwise operator converts our inputs into binary language like 0 and 1, and it is actually a crazy thing. Your mind will be blown after knowing that how it is being converted. So stay tuned for the next video and like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.